วัสดีค่ะ Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a homemade red curry paste. Red curry paste is a base ingredient for a variety of Thai cuisines, such as seafood dishes, meat and vegetable dishes, and fish cake appetizers. You can find pre-made red curry paste online or the international foods aisle of your local grocer. But my homemade paste provide a much better flavor without all the added preservatives. Ingredients: dry red Thai chili pepper, dry red jalapeno chili pepper, galangal root, finger root, kaffir lime, garlic, shallot, lemongrass, shrimp paste, cilantro stem, and salt. Start off by pre-soaking 15 parts dried red jalapeno chili pepper and 5 parts of dry Thai chili pepper in boiling hot water for about 20 minutes or until soft. Once parts are softened, remove the seeds. For best result in blending and binding flavors together, I recommend using a mortar and pestle for most of your ingredients. Start off with 1 gram of thinly sliced kaffir lime skin, 6 grams of white part only lemongrass thinly sliced, 3 grams of thinly sliced galangal root, along with 1 gram of salt. Now add 4 grams of thinly sliced finger root, 5 grams of thinly sliced cilantro stem, 18 grams of chopped shallot, 18 grams of chopped garlic, 7 grams of shrimp paste, 1 gram of toasted coriander powder, and half a gram of toasted cumin powder. Place your curry paste into a spice grinder along with your softened red chili pepper and blend until a smooth paste. At this point, add some water as needed. Now you have authentic Thai red curry paste and are ready to prepare a variety of red curry sauce dishes in very little time. Use an ice cube tray to store your paste for later use. 1 tablespoon size portion for each cube, and then placing the cubes in a freezer-safe Ziploc bag. I hope you enjoyed trying my recipe, and thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please use the comment section below. Please subscribe to my channel and be looking for my next video. ลาก่อนนะคะ and goodbye